In this video, we're going to be beginning our unit on patterns and sequences. So what is a sequence? A sequence is a list of things, usually numbers, that are in order. And if you look at this example here, we have a sequence. And sequences are broken into terms or elements or members. They all mean the same thing. So this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term, and the three dots means that it goes on forever or infinitely. Now, just like with equations, we talked about terms, so we have terms in a sequence as well. A sequence usually also has a rule, which is the way to find the value of each term. So the example of this, so we have the sequence 3, 5, 7, and 9, dot, dot, dot. That means it starts at 3, and then how do we get to 5, and then to 7, and then to 9, and so on? Well, we're going to add 2 every single time. So really quickly down here at these examples, it says, what is the rule to the sequence? Well, if we look at this sequence here, we have 3, 6, 9, 12. And you can either see that you're counting by threes, or you could think, okay, well, these numbers are getting bigger. I could say 3 plus 3 would be 6, and then 6 plus 3 more would be 9, and 9 plus 3 more would be 12. So the rule is adding 3. And this is a calculator unit, so you may use a calculator if you need help with solving any of these sequences. For the next one, it says, what is the rule of the sequence? Well, we're getting bigger, so we're going to be adding something or maybe multiplying by something. 15, let's try adding plus something gets me to 75. Well, if I do 15 plus 60, that would be 75. Or you could think 75 minus 15, 0, 6, that's how I got to 60. And then if I do 75 and I add 60 again, it will be 135. Now the most important thing to remember with sequences is that you have to do the same thing every single time. So in this case, I have to be able to add 60 again for it to work, and in this case it does work. So the rule is adding 60. All right, let's look at the next sequence. So what's the rule? Well, my numbers are getting smaller with this one. So I could be either subtracting would make numbers smaller, or I could use division. Division would also make numbers smaller. So let's think 75 minus what would be 50? Well, if I do minus 25, that would be 50. And if I do 50 minus 25, that's going to be 25 again. So the rule for this one is subtracting 50. Oh, I'm sorry, not 50. 25. And then for the last one, it says, what is the rule? The numbers are still getting smaller, so I could either subtract, which would make numbers smaller, or divide. And in this, let's try subtraction first. Well, 28 minus 1 would be 27, and 27 minus 1 would be 26, and 26 minus 1 would be 25. So the rule is subtract 1. So the next thing that you need to do is you're going to complete the module that is posted in Vision for you.